angle, do you think this is where you're going to get hot right here at the start?
We're going to see.
We will see, and we've got 60 on that shot clock, and we're going to start this three-point shootout with CP3 in 3, 2, 1, let's go!
Chris needs to hit 12. He needs to hit 12, and he's short on the first, long on the second, long on the third, long on the fourth. The money ball looks good. He's got 2. 10 more to win. 3. Come on, Chris. Money ball is good with 5. From the top of the key, Chris Paul, 6. Still at 6. The money ball looks good. No, it's a long. He needs 6 more to win. 7. There's 8 for Chris Paul. 9. Money ball, he's good at 10. He just needs 2 to win. 11. No. Oh, it couldn't count. It didn't count.
Are we going to count that? Are we going to count that? Are we going to count that?
Shot, take a look.
Are we going to count that?
Because that would have... Did it count? That was 12. If it counts, though, that's all. He had 12? You have the money ball over there. All right, so let's just get the official scoring. Right? 14, 26, and the winners, the Smart All-Stars. Give it up for James Harden and Chris Paul.
Congratulations.
I was like, oh, we're pleading the case.
Let's get these two guys, CP3 and James. Can we get you guys over here for the awarding? Thank you so much, and congratulations once again. Our winners for the Meralco Maynila three-point shootout. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our Smart All-Stars, James Harden and CP3. Mr. Ricky Vargas and Mr. Oscar Reyes is joining us at center court to award our winners.
All right, congratulations again, our 3.
On the floor for the PBA All-Stars, Ryan Reyes, kasama si Kabagnot, si Tos, si Intal at si Danny Siegel. Para sa Smart All-Stars, Derek Williams, who fires away, kasama si Kevin Durant, Derek Fisher, si James Harden at si Tyreek Evans.
Turnover.
At let's have this PLDT chat. Magu Marjon, who do you have for us?
Sitting here with CP3, Chris Paul. First of all, congratulations on that three-point contest. Any doubt in your mind that you would have lost that?
No, man. Me and James, we was shooting it here the other day. We was pretty confident that we was gonna win. It was close, but we pulled it out.
How are you liking the atmosphere, the electricity in this building?
Love it. It's amazing, man. Just the electricity in here, all us guys, we've been talking about it over here on the bench. We having so much fun, man. We're glad we had this opportunity to come over here and play.
Thanks for your time and good luck the rest of the way. Back to you, Miko.
Salamat Magu for that PLDT chat. Ayan, narinig niyo mula mismo kay Chris Paul. Sabi niya, enjoy na enjoy po sila rito. And here's James Harden. Oh, and James Harden. Guys, Nanay, there goes that man. There goes that man. Nanay, there goes that man. Kasi Philippine version. Oh, good fake, Sunny Toss.
Sunny Toss.
Mahigit 2 minuto na lamang ang natitira dito sa third quarter. Of course, kung tatanungin natin yung mga fans dito sa Big No, they hope this game will last forever. But they're hoping it will go to overtime. Intal having problems with the ball na agaw ni Derek Williams. Pinasa Durant against Sunny Toss. Ito naman si Sunny.
Smart All-Star.
Okay, 1:50 remaining here in the third. Timeout ang Smart All-Stars. Magkabalik po kami. Babalik po kami sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. Ito po ay isang napakagandang Maynila 3-point shot mula kay Alex Camandon. Let's swing back to live action. Under 2 minutes remaining dito sa third quarter. A strong move mula kay Ryan Reyes.
Foul on number 13, James Harden.
Fans really enjoying
Defense Ryan Reyes.
the moments here. You know, just para lang maibahagi natin, ano, I mean, right before we went on the air, ang unang-unang player mula sa Smart All-Stars na lumabas from the South Gate, yung locker room area, was Derrick Rose. And the crowd went nuts. Siya pa yung unang-unang lumabas. Tapos pagkatapos sinundan si JaVale McGee. And the crowd just went nuts. Di ba, Jimmy?
It was such a great thing to have an MVP hitting the floor first.
Siya yung unang-una eh. Siya yung unang-unang gusto mag-warm up. It says a lot, no? Yun yung tinatawag na MVP work ethic. Oo. Siya yung unang lumabas, pero siya yung huling sumot. Kasi ang dami nagpapapicture sa kanya eh. And this was still shoot around. I mean, minutes before shoot around. Lumabas siya, naka-backpack lang. Oo, tapos, labas siya, tapos parang ano lang siya, gusto lang niya mag-warm up, di ba? Here's Derrick Williams. Strong move para kay Derrick Williams. I mean, of all the guys here, palagay ko si Derrick Williams at talagang, wow, what is this experience? Sanitos escaping inside. Kung si CP3 nga, sinabi niya, siya'y namamangha, no, sa init, no, ng pagtanggap ng Filipino, ng mga Pilipino. Ano pa kaya si Derrick Williams, no? Meantime, ito si Tyreke Evans pulling up, and that's good.
Right now, itong All-Stars natin, just doing whatever they want to do. And nasanay na sila dun sa atmosphere sa Smart Araneta Coliseum.
Oh, big hands by Tyreke Evans. Good pass. That time, Siegel. $107-78 para sa Smart All-Stars. We have one more quarter to go in this unforgettable experience. At ito po ang ating score sa pagtatapos ng quarter ng Smart Ultimate All-Star Weekend. Fourth and final quarter, parating na po. Magandang gabi po mga kapatid. Ito po ang live coverage ng Smart Ultimate All-Star Weekend. One more quarter remaining in the game sa pagitan ng Smart All-Stars at PBA All-Stars. Tyreke Evans misses their first field goal in the fourth and final quarter para sa PBA selection. Sol Mercado, Raba Luceni, Gary David, Danny Siegel, and James Yap.
Scoring by quarters. Itong ating Smart All-Stars, floodgates just continue to get wider and wider. 30-30, tapos 36, tapos 41. Lalo silang nasasanay doon sa ringa natin.
Running stats brought to you by Metro Pacific Investments. For the Smart All-Stars on the floor, si Derek Fisher, JaVale McGee. What is that? Ano ba yan? 25th dunk?
All I know is after this Smart Ultimate Weekend, he is gonna get a bill mula sa Smart Araneta Coliseum para ipagawa yung ring.
Oo nga eh.
I hope he knows we still need that basket for tomorrow.
Opo, may naroon pa tayo bukas ha. Alauna naman ng hapon. It will be the Smart All-Stars laban sa Smart Gilas. Bukas po yan. Ang telecast po yan will be at 5:30. We will try and confirm that, no? Yung laban bukas ng Smart Gilas and Smart All-Stars, the late telecast 5:30. 5:30 po ng hapon. Meantime, Danny Siegel gets the first layup. Maganda rin ano to, experience for a guy like Danny, devoting his life sa kanyang PBA career, you know, giving so much enjoyment to the fans, and para kumbaga siya naman yan, you know, a good personal experience for a guy like DS.
And of course, his move towards Air 21 really shaped that. Maybe if he was with his old team, maybe would not have that opportunity. Pero ito, pinaka-veteranong nagtitira, and one of those guys in the PBA, you might say, one of the best players not to ever win an MVP.
Without a doubt. You know, Danny's had such a storied career here in the PBA, and he's almost had a rebirth with Air 21, showing that he can still get the job done.
So si Sol, talagang nahahanapan niya kung paano makakuha ng puntos, ha?
Scoring a three-pointer over Derek Fisher. Ito naman, Tyreek Evans. Nice move.
Yung iba hindi masyadong kilala si Tyreek Evans dahil hindi na napapanood gano. Pero ito yung sinasabi nila, yung parang LeBron James ang dating niya kasi all around na laro.
That was number 2.
One time rookie of the year as well, Tyreek Evans.
Daming ano, ha?
Hindi ka naman pwede maging two-time rookie of the year.
Siyempre. Ang daming nanalo sa fantasy, ha? Rookie si Tyreek Evans dahil hindi inakala nung kinuha siya, ganun ang gagawin niya.
Tapos nagpapantas siya.
Tapos nung kinuha ko siya the next, wala na, na-injury. Pero okay, I'm so happy to see him healthy, moving well, no? Okay yan. Sa kayo po, meron po tayo 7 na minuto na nalalabi dito sa fourth and final quarter.
Tyreek Evans as well as heroes, both Memphis guys, college. Pero di ano sila kabutan na magkasunod sila.
Tyreek trying to connect with Derek Williams. Bola na kay Tyreek, shot clock down to 1.
Shot clock violation.
So the PBA All-Stars playing a bit of shutdown defense din. Napilitan ubusin ang shot clock ng Smart All-Stars. Here's Gary David on the move.
Nice
scoring over JaVale McGee.
And the first guy to do that, to score over the outstretched arms of McGee.
Good pass.
You know, the athleticism that the Smart All-Stars are showing here tonight, it's just a great treat for all the fans here. And here goes JaVale McGee again.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Look out below.
Here's Rabah Husseini. And it's turning out to be the JaVale McGee Ultimate All-Star Weekend.
This is great for all the fans here watching the game tonight.
Hindi pwede yun eh. Yung ginagawa ni JaVale McGee, it is against every rule in physics.
Eh kung against the rule yan, ang gawin ng PBA All-Star, i-protesta nila. I-protesta nila. Baka manalo pa sila sa protesta.
Hindi pwede yun eh. I mean, Jimmy, how tall is JaVale? What is he, 8 feet? What is he?
Maybe 8'2".
Look, he's not supposed to do this.
Ang maganda kasi kay McGee, yung pedigree niya, parehong magulang niya, player na professional.
Totoo yan. Oh, no! 7 minutes remaining in a very surreal experience. Good tip-in para kay Rabah Husseini.
I think right now Coach Chot should be using his timeout just to stop the momentum of Smart All-Star.
Okay, timeout po.
Si Kobe na nag-timeout.
The playing coach, Kobe Bryant.
Pakiramdam ni Kobe, hinahabol na sila. Kaya
kailangan patayin ng momentum. 121-88. Magbabalik po kami. Bisita po natin sa free throw line si Derek Williams. Pasok ang kanyang unang free throw. Foul mula kay Arwin Santos.
Nakakatuwa mag-free throw si Derek Williams. Para may lakad lang eh. Tatong dribble, wala na asinta-asinta.
Halos nangangalati na po tayo dito sa fourth and final quarter. Sol Mercado